when you're using your calculator to approximate a logarithm to the nearest thousandth, and not all of these, like, do you have to do that? So like the question over here is 3 to the what power equals 9. So we're kind of like filling in this question mark over here that would be on the other side of the equal sign if this was an equation. So 3 to the what power equals 9. In this case, we know the answer is just 2 because 3 squared equals 9. But some of these, like this one, 6 to the what power equals 3.6. Like that is like a weird question, so I don't really know. So we use a calculator, and even on this one, you can use a calculator to approximate this. But when you do this on your calculator, and I don't have it on my iPad to show you, don't forget that on the calculators we have in the classroom, on our TI-84s, you have to go to the math button, which is on the left. So you go to math, and then you scroll down until you see log base. And once you choose log base, that will allow you to plug in whatever base that you want. The only buttons that we have on our calculator for logarithm is we have log base 10 and natural log buttons, but you have to go to math and go to log base if you want any other base than 8 or 10. So you go to math, you go to log base, and then you can type in what you want, which looks something like this. So log base 6 of 3.6, make sure the 6 is smaller and lower. And then you round to wherever it tells you to round. So this one says to round 3 decimal places. So this is 0.7149. So 0.7149, but it says 3 decimal places. So I'm going to round it here. This is my cutoff right here. But remember this, the number afterwards, and I am going to be marking off if we round incorrectly. So the number after the cutoff tells us if we leave this number the same or if we round up. So since the 9, if it's 5 or above, that means we round up. And I know you've done this before, but maybe it's been a long time. So 0.715 would be my final answer for that one.